Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You're starting with the essential prerequisites and the first actionable steps. You need to be the current server owner or have explicit permission to transfer ownership. Otherwise, you can't remove the owner crown. Once you've confirmed your account meets Discord's security requirements, open the server dropdown, choose server settings, and go to members. From there, locate the member you want to make owner. Make sure to review their roles and permissions first, because ownership trumps roles and affects bot access. Continue the process by performing the actual transfer, which removes the owner crown from the current account and assigns it to another member. Once done, click the 3 dots beside the target member in Members, then select Transfer Ownership. Read the permission warnings. Ownership grants full control, including deleting the server. Make sure the recipient understands the consequences. Finally, confirm the transfer by checking the boxes Discord asks for and entering your password or 2F. Finish by verifying that the crown or owner badge has disappeared from the previous account. You should see the new owner labeled instead. Make sure to recheck role assignments and bot permissions after the handoff, because ownership can change automation behaviors. If the transfer is blocked, enable 2-factor authentication on your account or the recipient's, then retry. If transfer isn't possible for any reason, consider creating a new server and migrating channels as a last resort, but only after backing up critical settings and data.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.